the very beginning, the infancy, as it were, of a breeze with Baudette Blizzard on the outside, that horse right there, and, I'm sorry, he's on the inside, Baudette Blizzard, and Cavalry Charge. So Cavalry Charge is in the white helmet on the outside. They're going to go 3/8 this morning. And Baudette Blizzard is on the inside with the green helmet. So here we go. I better back up a little bit. So I can see both of them as they're not starting absolutely. Oh, now they're getting together. Okay. There we go. So it's Cavalry Charge on the outside, Baudette Blizzard on the inside. 3/8, which will begin fairly soon. They've passed the half-mile pole, and so they'll begin to pick up their workout, their breeze, as they go into the turn here. Both horses seem pretty well relaxed. Cavalry Charge maybe a little bit on the tiny bit more eager side to get rolling here. And he's strong, kind of throwing his head up, and now he's settled. And both horses are moving well. Coming here to the quarter pole. So we've got a quarter mile to go. Again, Baudette Blizzard on the inside, Cavalry Charge on the outside, and the goal here is to move well, be well within yourself, and finish, and not go too fast. And I have to say, this was a excellent breeze early on in the stages here. Both horses doing well. Fabulous. And a nice little gallop out here, both horses continuing on.